Hello, my dear student. This is me, Khaled. I am your teacher of English. So today's lesson number 4, sounds. Before we start today's lesson, let's make a quick review about countries and nationalities. So, my dear students, I will give you country, try to give me the nationality. Okay? I am from Algeria. So, you are Algerian. Very good. I am from America. So, you are American. Wonderful. Zinedine Zidane is from France. So, he is French. Wonderful. Margaret is from Great Britain. So, she is excellent. She is British. Thank you so much. Now, okay, my dear pupils, I invite you to listen to a song about nationalities. Now, my dear student, listen carefully to a song about nationalities. Enjoy listening.
What's your nationality? From?
Where are you from?
Please tell me. Where are you from? Are you Chinese?
No, I'm not.
Are you Japanese?
No, I'm not.
Are you Chinese?
No, I'm not.
Are you Japanese?
No, I'm not.
What's your nationality?
What's your nationality?
Where are you from?
Where are you from?
Please tell me.
Please tell me.
Where are you from? Are you Italian?
No, I'm not.
Are you Australian?
No, I'm not.
Are you Italian?
No, I'm not.
Are you Australian?
No, I'm not.
What's your nationality?
What's your nationality?
Where are you from?
Where are you from?
Please tell me.
Please tell me.
Where are you from? Are you Irish?
No, I'm not.
Are you British?
No, I'm not.
Are you Irish?
No, I'm not.
Are you British?
No, I'm not.
What's your nationality?
What's your nationality?
Where are you from?
Where are you from?
Please tell me.
Please tell me.
Where are you from? Are you German?
Yes, I am.
You are German from Germany. Are you German?
Yes, I am. Hello, I'm Germany.
What's your nationality?
What's your nationality?
Where are you from?
Where are you from?
Please tell me.
Please tell me.
Where are you from? What's your nationality?
What's your nationality?
Where are you from?
Where are you from?
Please tell me.
Please tell me.
Where are you from?
Okay, my dear pupils, I hope that you enjoy this beautiful song about countries and nationalities. Okay, now, as usual, before we start today's lesson, my dear pupils, can you name some countries on the map of the world? Okay, this is the map of the world. Okay, this is the map of the world. Can you name some countries? For example, in Africa, okay, we have Algeria, Libya, Egypt, South Africa, etc. Okay? In Asia, we have, for example, China. Okay? In North America, we have Canada, United States of America. In South Africa, for example, we have Brazil, Argentina. Wonderful. Thank you so much. Okay? Now, my dear pupils, listen as I read the paragraph and pay attention to the pronunciation of the underlined words. How do we pronounce the words? Okay. My friend Paul from England is calling me this morning. He is going to visit my city with his daughter. He finds it very interesting to discover such hot places in the south of Algeria. I want to show him a lot of houses and our tall palm trees. May God bless our hometown. I repeat again. My friend Paul from England is calling me this morning. He is going to visit my city with his daughter. He finds it very interesting to discover such hot places in the south of Algeria. I want to show him a lot of houses and our tall palm trees. May God bless our hometown. Now, the underlined words are Paul, call, hometown, England, morning, going, interesting, daughter, hot, God, houses, south, town, tall, lot, want. Okay, so from these words we can notice 4 different sounds. Okay, we have long O like Paul, O, morning, morning. This is the symbol of short O. We have like hot. Don't say hard. Hot. Lot. We have this diphthong, 2 sounds. We have short A and short U. Here we have 2 sounds like owl, like south, like town. And finally, we have new sound. You have seen this sound before in sequence 4, like England and interesting. Interesting. You don't say interesting. Okay. Now, my dear pupils, take your books on page 100. Okay. Take your books on page 135. Okay. And have a look at the following pictures. These are some different flags of some countries. Okay? Let's start with the first sound, new sound. Please listen carefully and repeat after me. Bangladesh, Bangladesh, England, England, Congo, Congo, Colombia, Colombia. This is short U, U. Australia, Australia. Following sound. This is long O. We have short, short O, and we have long O. This is the symbol of long O, like Andorra, Georgia, Georgia. Don't say Georgia, no. Portugal, Portugal. The last sound, ow. Ow, like Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia. Like South Africa. South Africa. I repeat again. So, new sound like Bangladesh, England, Congo. Now, short O, Colombia, Australia. Long O, like Andorra, Georgia, Portugal. The last sound, ow, Saudi Arabia, South Africa. Wonderful. Now I will show you more examples about these sounds. Let's start with the new sound. Okay. This is the flag of Singapore. Singapore. And this is the flag of Hong Kong. Hong Kong. Okay. Let's move on to the next sound. Short O. This is the flag of Honduras. Honduras. This is O. And this is the flag of Costa Rica. Costa Rica. Now, long O. Long. We have, this is the flag of Norway. Norway. The following sound, the following country, this is the flag of North Korea. North Korea. Very good. The last sound, ow. Okay. This is the flag of South Korea. South Korea. And finally, this is the flag of Laos. Laos. Okay. Now, my dear pupils, I invite you to watch 4 videos about these sounds in order to understand how to pronounce these sounds correctly. We have seen before, near sound, short O, long O, and ow. Very good. Okay. Let's start with the first video.
This is a consonant sound. Now in English, you will never find it at the beginning of a word because it only comes at the end of a syllable. So you find it in the middle of the word anger, and the middle of the word thanks, and at the end of the word rung. Now we make this sound towards the back of the mouth. And if you do this sound correctly, you can feel a vibration in your nose. Now let's practice. Listen to these examples and repeat after me. Rung, anger, thanks. Okay. Now it can be difficult to hear the difference between this sound, and another similar consonant, Listen carefully. Rung, 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 run. Now n is made at the back of the mouth and n is made behind the teeth. Now you try. Listen and repeat. Rung, 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 run. Now let's have some more examples. Listen first. Tongue, ton, wing, wing, robbing, robin, singer, sinner. Now you try. Listen and repeat. Tongue, ton, wing, wing, robbing, robin, singer, sinner. Okay,
Okay. Now let's move on to the second sound. Please listen carefully. Short O.
this is a short vowel sound. It's pronounced O. Now you try. Listen carefully and repeat after me. O. O. Now here are some words which have this vowel sound. Lot, odd, wash. Now you try. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Lot, odd, wash. Good.
Okay. The following sound. Long O.
This is a long vowel sound. It's pronounced or. Now you try. Repeat after me. Or. Or. Now here are some words which have this sound. Thought, law, north, war. Now you try. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Thought, law, north, war. Good.
Okay. Let's move on to the last sound, ow. Please listen carefully.
This is a diphthong, a double vowel sound. The shape the mouth makes changes from the beginning of the sound to the end. It's pronounced ow. Now did you notice the shape of my mouth? Ow. Now you try. Watch, listen and repeat. Ow. Ow. Now here are some words that have the ow sound. Mouth, now, foul. Now you try. Listen and repeat. Mouth, now, foul. Good.
Now, my dear pupils, let's recap. We have seen before 4 different sounds. This is the new sound, like, morning, interesting, etc. The second sound, O. Yeah. There are 2 symbols. We can write short O like this or like this. Like, not, hot, lot. So we can write this symbol or this symbol. Okay? You have seen also long O like north, cold, etc. The last sound, ow, like now, how, etc. Thank you so much. Now, my dear pupils, I invite you to do task 1. Okay? Task 1. I classify these words according to the pronunciation of their sounds. I classify these words according to the pronunciation of their sounds. Here you have 8 words. Try to classify them. Either ow, short O, new sound, or long O. So you have 8 words. You have 2 minutes. Try to classify these words. Go ahead. Okay, now let's correct together. Let's start with the sound ow, like south, pound, south, pound. Now short o, like Morocco, Morocco, like Moscow, Moscow. Now new sound or n sound, like playing. We don't say playing, playing. Going, going. We don't say going. Okay? The last sound, this is the symbol of long O, like north, short. North, we don't say north, say north, short. Okay, please write down the correction. Okay, thank you so much. Let's move on to the second task. Task 2. I cross the odd word out. I cross the odd word out. It means I omit the odd word. It means the word which has different sound. Near sound, long O, short O, and ow. Here you have this group of words. Try to cross out, omit the odd word. Okay, you have 2 minutes. Think about it. Time is up. Let's correct together. Now please listen carefully and try to cross the odd word out. The first group, okay, Sterling, Finland, watching, evening. Okay, what is the odd word here? Can you guess? Very good. Finland. The second group, forest, talk, water, more. Where is the odd word here? The second group. Very good. Forest. We don't say forest. Say forest. Short O. Well done. Let's move on to the third sound. Short O. Dollar, Monaco, Scotland, London. Where is the odd word? Very good. London. We don't say London. London. Strong up. London. Okay. The last sound, ow. Listen please. Out, now, home, town. Can you distinguish between these words? Where is the odd word here? Very good. Home, O. Have out, now, town. Very good. Please write down the correction. First word, Finland. Second word, forest. The third word, London. The last word, home. Please write down the correction. These are the odd words. Okay, my dear pupils, let's move on. Task 2. Okay, please take your books on 135. I read the poem and put the underlined words in the right column. Here you have this poem. Try to read it silently. Try to put this word, the underlined words, okay, in the right column, either near, short O, long O, or out. So I read the poem and put the underlined words. So you are going to put the underlined words in the right column, either near sound, short O, long O, or out. Okay? You have 2 minutes. Think about it. Okay, time is up. Now, my dear students, I read the poem, try to classify or try to put the underlined words in the right column. Okay? I sing a song about my homeland. The song I call I Love You True. The sea, the mountain, and the sound. Algeria, the rose with the morning dew. I work hard for you. I never, never stop. Algeria, my country, the best and the top. Stand up, classmates, greet her and say, Algeria, my country, you're the sun of my day. Okay, let's correct together. Let's start with the first sound, ow, like about, about. Second word, mountain, mountain. Now short o, like song, stop, top. New sound like sing, don't say sing. Song, morning. Okay. The last sound, call, morning. Here morning has two different sounds. We have long O in morning and the new sound like morning. Also song, short O and the new sound. Say song, song. Don't say song. Okay, thank you so much. Please write down the correction. Let's move on. Let's play a game. Okay. I find the hidden countries and pronounce them correctly. Here you have some hidden countries. Okay. Try to find them and pronounce them correctly. Let's do the first country, Algeria. Try to find other countries. You have 3 minutes. Try to find the hidden countries. Okay. The hidden countries are Algeria, Congo, England, Morocco, Portugal, America, Brazil, Andorra, Georgia, Australia. Algeria, Congo, England, Morocco, Portugal, America, Brazil, Andorra, Georgia, and finally Australia. Okay, thank you so much, my dear learners. This is all about today's lesson about sounds. We have seen new sound, short O, long O, and finally ow. Thank you so much. See you next time with the 5th lesson. Goodbye.
شكرا على المشاهدة. لا تنسوا الاشتراك في القناة، الضغط على الجرس، الإعجاب بالفيديو. شكرا.